Good afternoon and welcome to Blindbuilds with Blind Prime, the Building Braille edition. Lots of B's there. Today we're going to be covering sugar. Alright, so far in our video we have covered the A, the B, the C, the D, the E, the F, the G, the H, the I, the J, then the K, then the L, then the L, the K, the L, the M. Oh, crap. Sugar got me confused. I love you too, cat. There. That's why it's all messed up. The K, the L, the M, the N, the O, and the P, and the Q. Today we're going to cover the R. There it is right there. 3 dots down on one side, 1 dot on the left-hand side of it, right at where the number 5 is. And then, of course, if you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe. Yeah. Is that it? Yeah. Like and subscribe. Aha! I got it. There it is. Yeah, look at that. Wonderful Braille words there. And if you don't know what they say, if you can't read that, no worries. I'm teaching you how here. So I guess you're going to need to continue until you know what the U looks like, huh? Have we even covered S? Let's see, QR. We're covering S next week, so you don't even know what the S is. All right, so that's the introduction. Let's get to this, and let's have some fun doing it. I love playing with Lego, and I know a lot of you who are my viewers also enjoy playing with Lego. And isn't it even more fun when you get to play with Lego, educate yourself, and create something that can help you in the future at the same time? Everybody out there will suffer vision problems to some scale or another eventually in their lives. And it's important to realize that the best way to help prevent yourself from having bad times in the future and stress in the future is to, proper preparation. So without proper preparation, that leads to piss poor performance. So do some proper preparation if you know that you're possibly going to lose your vision in the future, one scale or another, and go ahead and learn Braille. After all, it'd be nice to make stuff that you can hide from people, because not everybody knows Braille. Braille is actually one of the smallest languages out there, and so you can leave journals in Braille and not worry about anybody coming by behind you and your family and reading that journal. And they'll look at them, what are these dots for? What do they say? Then they're going to have to educate themselves, so maybe they'll find my channel. Anyway, let's get to the letter R. R, it's Pirate Day, my mateys. Yes, Pirate Day. R. I don't know what kind of pirate that was, but whatever. The R is a very cool letter. It is made up of dots on the 1, the 2, the 3, and a dot on the 5. The 4 and the 6 are left empty. So we have tiles there because this is Lego. So not many pieces here, but there is 2 ways to build it. And I'm going to teach you both ways today. We're going to teach you the first way. Let's grab it. All right. We're going to need to get our pieces here together. Sugar, have you been playing with the Legos? Have you been playing with the Legos? No? Cool. All right. So we've got our 3x2 plate. And we're going to need 2 1x1 tiles. There's one of them. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Oh, we also need a 1x1 stud, so might as well grab that. And no, we'll explain that one in a minute. There it is. There's another 1x1 tile. And now we need a 1x3. 1x3 plate, yes. So to do this, you want to take your 1x3 plate, and you're going to want to put it in the 1, 2, 3 positions. Boom. All the way down, one piece. It's easy. Then we're going to get our 1x1, and we're going to put it in the 5 position. And then we're going to get our tile, and we're going to put our tile in the 6 position. And then we're going to get our last little tile, and we're going to put it in the 4 position. And that's how you build an R. Now, let's discuss building an R if you don't have a 1x3, and it's just using a 1x2 and a 1x1. So let's gather up all these little guys. Here's our plate, our 3x2. Remember, we call it a 3x2 because Braille is in 6 quadrant. It's 6. Let's see. All right, so there's 2 1x1 studs. There's the 1x1 tile. There's a 1x2 and a 1x2 tile. So yeah, if you've probably guessed it, we're going to switch out the 1x3 for a 1x2 and a 1x1 studs. So that's what we're going to do here. And of course, whenever we're setting the Braille chip down on front of us. We're going to be covering, the top left corner will be the number 1, the top right corner will be the number 4, the bottom left corner will be the number 3, and the bottom right corner will be the number 6. So to begin, let's go ahead and put our 1x2 plate in the 1 and the 2 positions, and let's go ahead and put our 1x1 stud in the 3 position. All right, we'll just do that in front of us. There it is, the 3 position. Now let's go ahead and put our tiles. Now remember, the trick with tiles, and to keep them from getting annoying, is always build some sort of bracing on the plate before adding the tiles, because tiles like to spin around in their positions and make a headache for you. So just give them something to brace upon and keep straight, and then you won't have any headaches. So we're going to add the 2 tiles, one in the number 4 position and one in the number 5 position. No, 6 position, my bad, number 6 position. And then we're going to add a stud to the number 5 position. There we go. So tile in the 4, stud in the 5, tile in the 6, and then stud in the 1, stud in the 2, stud in the 3. And that is how you build an R. And now with 3 R's together, we can say the word R. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Sugar's enjoyed this. She likes watching me play with Legos. And I appreciate you, Sugar, for not playing with the Legos like Cream would. Yeah, you're a good cat. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. Next week, I don't know what I got planned. Next week is going to be kind of a pull out of the hat week kind of thing. And I guess I'll do a small news video thing. Oh, man, Sugar, your hair. I'll do a small news video this week to talk about upcoming things and what's going on, because a lot of stuff has hit the pre-orders and everything's going crazy, and then there's the HasLab. So look forward to hearing a Blind Prime update video in the next couple of days. And Sunday, I have got to go to a memorial service. My great uncle passed away, and I will be going there and spreading his ashes across the bay. So Sunday, you will not be hearing from me. But I hope that all of you have had a lovely week, and all of you have, you've done good, and you've always taken time to have some fun. We got the world's a crazy place right now, and it's important for you to unwind and let your brain just ease and let that steam out that builds up in life these days. It allows you to think. Sit down, relax your mind, and then when whenever you've had some fun and you're taking your mind off everything, you'll notice that you think better, and you can come up with some solutions for some of those problems you're having. Thank you so much for watching, and I know I love making these videos for you, and I hope that you enjoy watching them. Until next Prime, bye-bye for now.